Nĩ hakuhĩ mĩeri ĩrĩ rĩu ĩrĩkĩtie kũhetũka kuma mogarũrũku matiganĩte gũtabanio thĩinĩ wa rũhonge rwa borithi, mogarũrũku marĩa magucĩrĩirie bata wa maabitha aya gũkorwo makĩamũkĩra mathomo matiganĩte. Mũnene wa borithi Joseph Boinnet augĩte maabitha aya rĩu nĩ mamũkĩrĩte mogarũrũku maya mbere ya mambĩrĩrie kũrutithio wĩra mweri wa Dithemba.
They need now to begin internalizing that inevitability because it is coming. Kwa wale hawako wanaishi na wananchi, and the public also needs to begin getting ready to live with a police officer next door.
We are ready for this reform. We are ready to transform ourselves, and we are ready to perform our mandate.
However long we are going to take, this is a transformation is not going to take a day or two. Even 5 years, you still be transforming for the better of the service.
Our senior officers are present, my fellow officers.
Ciĩgiĩ mwĩhumbĩre mwerũ wa borithi, Boinnet augĩte maobitha a borithi nĩ mathiĩte na mbere kwamũkĩra nguo icio, akiuga borithi arĩa marĩikaraga ceceni-inĩ cia borithi nĩ megũthondekerwo gũikaro.
What we think is a good way of organizing ourselves, the new command structure, and what I have told you about the importance of giving all our officers decent and dignified accommodation, which gave rise to the decision which was announced by His Excellency the President.
We are here to transform you to a better place. We don't want people to start staying in Unihal and you are no visa. We want you to stay in a better place. So support us.
Maabitha arĩa magũkorwo magĩikara nja wa ceceni cia borithi nĩ matanyĩtwo gũkorwo makĩamũkĩra marĩhi ma njahĩrĩra mogarũrũku maya mambĩrĩria kũrutithio wĩra. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Maina wa Mwangi.